Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far. Guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tells a story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. From first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, hold we fast. Me see the elder close them eye. Feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway. Learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight. Drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light. Keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free. When love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear. Beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast. Carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path for we to try, keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street, fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth feel rise and stand, hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blazing unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way, it guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. Me see the elder by the flame, chanting Me climb the path with steady pace. Feel just sunlight on me face. It warm me heart, it lift me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It show the road fit trod in peace. Tell the war and hate fi cease. Every shadow fade away. When Zion light begin fi stay. Babylon try fi hide the beam, but Jah light cut through the scheme. It pierce the lies, it break the chain. It heal the heart and ease the pain. No mountain tall, no valley deep can block the light Jah children keep. It shine through ages, strong and true. Light fi guide both me and you. Me see the youth, them lift them high. Watch the light fill up the sky. It teach them hope, it teach them love. Blessing from the one above. No greed, no hate can make it dim. This light forever come from him. It call we all to righteous plan. Light of Jah fi every man. When the evening start to fall, still the light will bless us all. It glow through night till morning come, beating rhythm like the drum. From first creation till the end, light of Zion we defend. It lead the way till kingdom near and Babylon disappear. Shine high, shine low, everywhere the people go. Break chain, break night, fill the world with holy light. No storm, no wall can hide the beam. Light of Zion reign supreme. Light of Mount Zion bright and clear. Guide the people far and near. Lead we through the storm and fight. Keep we walking in Jah light. From mountain top to ocean floor. Light of Zion forevermore. Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Burning bright from ancient days. Fire like Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul. Make the broken spirit whole. Every spark of truth reveal. Every flame a wound that heal. Fire of Rasta never die. Lift the chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari blaze so strong. Burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path we to trod. Keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street. Fire warm the people's feet. It call the youth fi rise and stand. Hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see. Fire blazing unity. It melt the chain, it break the wall. It answer to the righteous call. No lies survive, no darkness stay. When fire of Jah light the way. It guard the weak, it guide the strong. Fire keep we moving on. know the sky's like swinging sweet like rhythm in a breeze. Me heart skip a beat, me knees get weak with ease. Your smile shine like a Kingston sunrise. Natural beauty, no need for lies. Me never know love like this before. You open me soul, you open me door. Me say Empress, where you from? She says Zion, me brethren at Babylon. Me laugh and me light one up. Together we sip from the healing cup. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in a the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Me take her down to Portland side, on the cliffs where ocean collide. We build a little shack fi stay, cook ital food and dance all day. She read psalms and me string guitar. She roll a spliff and sight up star. No vanity in our world, just royalty in one Rasta girl. Them Babylon gal chase style and gold, but me queen got wisdom fi all. She teach me patience, teach me truth. Love rooted like mango tree youth. And in the night, when moonlight kiss her skin so bright, me hold her tight. We chant till morning light. She no want diamonds, she want peace. She say let the drama cease. We laugh loud, we live slow. In the river of life we float and flow. She wrap her arms round me soul, fill me spirit, make me whole. No tension, no fight, no stress, only blessings and righteousness. She said, Rasta man build this with care. Don't just love me, be always there. So me vow with a sacred word. Me heart, me life, she already heard. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in a the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. Years pass but the flame still blaze. Me still lost in her mystic gaze. Me give her songs, she give me strength. Together we go any length. She paint me right, we create sound. She pick herbs straight from the ground. Our little youth them running wild. Zion family, nature child. And when we all still hand in hand, still burn a spliff, still overstand, still chant a hymn before we sleep, still all a love that runs so deep. She a me love woman, me irie flame. Every night me call out her name. She burn herbs with me in a the rain. Me queen, me guide, me healing again. Me love woman, no shame, no game. Roots deep like the lion and tame. Me never feel so free. She chant with Jah beside me. facing river divine. Thank Jah for the bread for this blessed time. Me sip me roots tea, me chant a prayer, burn a little sage, cleanse the air. The world full of noise, but me heart stay clear. Me step with peace, me carry no fear. Me wear me crown, me lock so long. Every strand carry Jah song. Me no rush, me move so strong. In a balance, that's where me belong. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. In a the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can't defeat. Riches or Babylon lies. Me plant me food under open skies. Me build me home with me own two hands. Me live simply like Zion man. Me play roots rhythm and the vinyl wheel. Me feel the dub, me spirit heal. Me children learn from nature school. Them grow strong, them live by Jah rule. No toxin in a me plate, just title food me cultivate. The body a temple, clean and great. Me give Jah praise, me elevate. And when the stress come down, me light a spliff and sit down. Me meditate with no sound. Jah guide me mind, me steer ground. Inna me yard me hear the bird them sing. A sweet reminder of the joy life bring. Me plant more trees, me dance, me swing to rhythms that make me soul take wing. The people pass, them hail me name. Rasta man, your vibes never lame. Me tell them love is the holy flame. Burn the ego, burn the fame. Me no in a rush, me stay in tune. Me chant a psalm under the moon. Me play me drum, me sing me tune. Me walk with Jah, me heart immune. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. Inna the hills or the city street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta live what Babylon can defeat. Me no own big house or gold chain, but me rich in joy. Me feel no pain. Me family close, me soul sustain. Rain or shine, me still remain. Me read from the book of wisdom days. Me reason deep in ancient ways. Me sight up Zion in a purple haze. Me chant for peace, me chant for praise. And when Babylon try confuse, me just sit in a me view. Mountains teach me what to do. Hold the line and walk it through. Me ride me bike down country road. Me carry herbs, me share the load. Me greet me elders, me speak me code. In a Rasta rhythm, me life unfold. Me know me mission, spread Jah light. Through music, love, and ganja right. Me voice a spark in this endless night. Me shine for people, me chant them right. Me walk in a light of Jah love. Me rise like a dove. Every day me give thanks above. From Africa to yard and street, me chant with the heartbeat beat. Rasta stand tall, Babylon can't delete. So come follow the way of nature, peace and night today. With reggae sweet and ganja blaze, we lift the world in righteous praise.
Raggamuffin soldier, yeah man.
wake up with the sunrise gold. In the hills, just story told. Me sip ital, me eyes them low, but me mind fly high like rivers flow. One drop of the spliff, me soul ignite, me vision bright in a peaceful light. No rush, no noise, just breeze and tree. Me grounded deep like ancient sea. Smoke and silence, that's me prayer. Me find me strength in the clean, cool air. Herba healer, bring me near to Jah voice, so crystal clear. Me nah need crowd, me nah need show. Just earth and rhythm and roots fi grow. Smoke and silence balance me soul. In a that moment me feel whole. Me walk barefoot on sacred ground. Me hear the universe in every sound. Bird a sing, tree a sway. Me chant praises every day. Me nah judge, me nah fight. Me just burn the chalice in the moonlight. Meditation strong like lion roar. Me heart beats steady to Jah's core. One love in a each breath me take. Me feel alive when the morning break. Herb open me mind like gateway key. Me spirit dance like waving sea. Me reason with me inner self. Me wealth a peace, not paper wealth. Smoke rise like incense true. Me give thanks for life anew. Smoke and silence, healing vibe. Me ride the rhythm, me nah hide. No take no screen, just nature speak. Fi wisdom deep, me humbly seek. Me burn me spliff, fi open door to realms unseen, to I man core. Smoke and silence, that's the way. Me live me truth each blessed day. Me teach me youth, fi calm them mind, fi trod apart that Babylon blind. Me plant herb tree with loving hand. Me cultivate life on Jah land. No war, no worry, no mental chain. Just peace like cool and cleansing rain. Me sit with elders, chant in a line. Me elevate soul through ganja sign. So if the world feel heavy and low, come in a Zion, echoes flow. Smoke a draw, sit in peace. Let the pressure and pain release. Me nah last, me fully aware. Me soul connect in the mountain air. Smoke and silence, me guidance high. One love forever till the day me fly. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. Weed sin Jah me, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight, me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call Jah name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I man peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm we rise again. The city fast, but I man slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trad with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rasta man voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games, but I and I nah play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me bun down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear, like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light, full of protection. Meditation, one sacred sound. Rasta wisdom, all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn the stress and hold the vibe. Reggae heal the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders and the mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round, feel listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me nah preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words are gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me ground it strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand from sunrise to the moon above. Me hold it steady, one spliff, one love, yeah. Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Herb and harmony, balance divine. Me soul align in just sunshine. Call up the ancients in a the breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Herb and harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just bread and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Nyabinghi beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west, me nah look east. Me look within, fi find me peace. Meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Herb and harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call up creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum, me chant until the kingdom come. Call of the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die.
Yo, me wake up in the morning, sun a shine bright. Jah bless me life, keep me soul feeling right. Step out on the street, hear the rhythm, me nah hear, me nah fear, cause the most high always they near. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Babylon a come, but me nah go run. Stand firm like a lion, me nah bow to none. Them try feel lock we down, but me spirit too strong. Chant a psalms, make them know say Jah dey on me tongue. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Rasta man chant on the rhythm, feel it deep. Roots and culture, this your vibe, can't sleep. Me nah take no poison, me nah sip no lean. Natural meditation, the highest me seen. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Me only keep the love in a me brain. Me nah war, me nah fight for no fame. Real reggae warrior, me stay in a million. Jah bless we all, make the music shine. Reggae pan top, still they on the front line. One heart, one soul, one life, one time. Keep it real, keep it blessed, make the love align. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako.
Ay, ganja. Deep inna this fetka. Yeah, man. Me step on soil where ancestors bleed. Them spirit guide me every deed. Roots deep, me can't forget. Babylon tremble when we reset. Them a build up the tower high, but roots crack, concrete touch the sky. Them say control is all them know, but nature teach we how we grow. Them a sell illusion, sell fake gold, but me say wisdom nah get old. Me link with earth, me link with star. Babylon can't define who me are. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We nah bow, we nah bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We nah lose, we nah fade. Freedom and forever played. The youth them wise, the youth them bold. Can't fool them with lie them told. Every system soon collapse. like sand slipping through them grasp. The mountain watch, the river run, truth shine bright like morning sun. Them a spy, them a scheme, but we live up the highest dream. Them say be quiet, stay small, but me voice echo through them wall. We not ask permission, fee be free. We claim the birthright destiny. From Africa, straight to yard. We connect like lion guard. Roots rebellion, sound the call. Stand firm, now fear the fall. Roots rebellion, rise again. Breaking chain with heart and pen. We not bow, we not bend. Jah warriors to the end. Roots rebellion, shake the ground. Every heartbeat, every sound. We not lose, we not fade. Freedom anthem forever played. Me chant for the mother, me chant for the child. For all who Babylon make wild. Me chant for the healer, for the poor, for the ones knocking on freedom door. Every drum beat, a signal clear. The system day of reckoning near. Hold tight to the roots, me friend. Rebellion righteous till the end. So rise up now, hear the call. Roots rebellion for one and all. The chains break, the spirit fly. We free under just sky. Wait, what Drew Rebellion, Aliviada.
Na na na, down by the riverside. Smoke spliff, yeah man. Me sit by the river, calm and wide. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the tide. Each ripple speak in a sacred code, like ancient drum beat, like secret road. The herb a bun low, me eyes them close. Me spirit float where the wisdom grows. No worry now, no Babylon sound, just roots and healing all around. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only true ones go. Wash me clean from pain and lie. Lift me high in a just sky. River na the soul, cool and deep. Carry me dream into conscious sleep. One drop, one thought, one prayer rise. Me see me truth with open eyes. Me smoke a draw for the clarity. Me feel Jah love like melody. No preacher fi tell I what real. Me find the message, me heart can feel. The mango fall, the breeze it sing. Me joy no come from material thing. Me joy a grow from silent days. Me chant alone, me soul give praise. Me nah rush, me nah run race. Me walk with peace and Jah grace. Me tread slope on healing earth. Each step remind me of my worth. Me mind a garden, me thoughts a seed. Me water them with what I need. Ganja plant, sun and rain. Grow me life out of struggle and pain. River na the mind flow, sweet and slow. Take me where only real vibes go. Wash me from the fear and fight. Shine me so like morning light. River in a heart, so calm and true. Every drop a word from you. Me reason with me higher self. Me realize Jah is me wealth. Me meet me brethren under fig tree shade. We pass the chalice, vibes get laid. We reason long bout love and soul, both dreams and fire and staying whole. No competition in a this life, just balance healing. no strife. Me share me fruits, me share me song. Me know Jah bless where I belong. So if you're stressed and thing get tight, come to the river, embrace the light. Let go the noise, the fast, the blind. Come find the river inna your mind. Smoke a draw and just be still. Jah guide you with him holy will. River in the mind, Zion call. One love eternal, rise and fall, I'd say.
Zion reggae, I meditate, yeah man. Up inna the hills, where the silence reign. Me bun me spliff and ease me brain. The moon a whisper secret to me soul. The stars them write me fate in gold. No noise from the town, no machine. Just breeze and crickets pan natural scene. Me sit pan rock, chant me psalm. Night full of peace, full of calm. Me close me eyes and visions come. Ancient drums them beat like thunder drum. Me see me ancestors inna the flame. Them call me name and bless me name. Inna the hills me dream, where Zion river stream. Me float with Jah wing so free. No chain, no lock for me tree. Inna the hills me know, me roots and spirit grow. One light, one sound, one team. Inna the hills me dream. Me enter trance with holy fire. Nyabinghi drum lift me higher. Me not talk about sleep and snore. Me talk about spirit walk through ancient door. Me see a lion guard the gate. Him say youth, know your fate. Me answer with chant and bow. Me ready for truth, me ready now. Me see me brethren from long before. Them chant rebel, rise explore. Them show me mountain top so wide. Well overrule and hate can't hide. Me walk on cloud in a me dream. Me hear me heartbeat as it scream. Wake up the world, chant them clean. Babylon system full of scheme. But me not fear in a this place. Me covered in Jah, me covered in grace. Me dream is real, not just sleep. It's vision me carry deep. Inna the hills me dream, where Zion river stream. Me float with Jah wind so free. No chain, no lock on me tree. Inna the hills me know, me roots and spirit grow. One light, one sound, one team. Inna the hills me dream. Me wake with tears inna me eye, but it's sweet, not sorrow cry. It's joy for what me spirit see when me drift beyond reality. Me pen start move without control. Me write the dream straight from soul. Me not fabricate, me not pretend. This message real and it must extend to youth them lost in concrete maze, to hearts them trapped in toxic haze. Tell them rise, find the hill. Smoke your herbs, but stay still. Listen close to breeze and tree. Them a tell you the truth, naturally. No phone, no app, no screen. Just speak direct. Inna the green, inna the hills me dream. Me chant, me rise, me redeem. Me see a light so clean. Me free from all machine. Inna the hills me know, this life a sacred flow. Me soul dance slow and supreme. Inna the hills me dream.
lights blind the eyes, but behind them glow is where truth lies. Them build illusion tall and grand, yet me spirit can't be planned. Me see them towers of control, every contract try sell me soul. But me walk with Jah by me side, me not take no ride in a Babylon tide. Them say freedom, but it's fake, wrapped up in loans and give and take. Me say you can't chain what's born for free, nah lock the lion inside of me. Them spin the lies like webs so tight, but truth blaze in a darkest night. Me nah fall for shiny cloak, me burn them chains of smoke. Chains of smoke can't hold we down, Jah light still wear the crown. Babylon crumble brick by brick, we rise up strong, now fall for trick. Chains of smoke try suffocate, but love and roots elevate. We spirit break the grip and choke, we burn them chains of smoke. Politician talking circle wide, but real power grow from inside. Me say every youth hold the flame, remember your worth, remember your name. We not born fi serve them plan, we free me sister, me brother, me man. From Africa to island shore, the heart beats strong forevermore. System push with iron hand, but we hold ground like desert sand. Even when pressure pile up high, we keep chanting to the sky. Me feel Jah breeze on me face, remind me of me rightful place. Now get lost in maze and smoke, me spirit clear, me vision woke. Chains of smoke can't hold we down, Jah light still wear the crown. Babylon crumble brick by brick, we rise up strong, now fall for trick. Chains of smoke try suffocate, but love and roots elevate. We spirit break the grip and choke, we burn them chains of smoke. Every verse a hammer blow, fi mash down lies them try fi grow. We not bend fi glitter dream, Jah truth stronger than machine. So light your fire, raise your voice, fi freedom always be we choice. Together we break the heavy yoke, together we burn chains of smoke. Stand tall, not ever shake, them can't take what Jah create. Chains of smoke, me laugh and joke, cause we too strong for them cloak.
The world in trouble, the system corrupt. Babylon a mash it up, the people fed up. Them take the riches and leave with the crumbs. But reggae music rise, Jah Kingdom come. We fight for justice, chant for the youth. The elders say truth is the ultimate fruit. We not bow to no system where treat we brute. Rastafari strong like the lion root. The rhythm a flow, it carry Jah call. We chant down the walls till Babylon fall. From the ghetto streets to the palace hall, we rise up the banner, redemption for all. Reggae redemption, we chant it loud. The fire ablaze, we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, Jah spirit proud. One love eternal, it can't be bowed. Them while we silent, but we rise like flame. Reggae bring the message, we call Jah name. The the oppressors tremble, them hide in shame. But Rasta carry love, we no play them game. The rhythm beat strong, like heart to drum. The voice of the ghetto, we no keep it numb. We burn out the lies where the wicked man hum. Redemption a come, make the kingdom run. For the youth where you suffer, we fight for them. Jah bless with steps, we not pretend. The light of Zion, we represent. From the start of the journey till the very end. Reggae Redemption, we chant it loud. The fire ablaze, we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, Jah spirit proud. One love eternal, it can be bold. Yeah man, reggae are the voice of the land. We hold Jah truth like the farmer and from the hills to the sea, we make them understand. Redemption not come, it's Jah plan. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long, but we no complain. The wicked them lurk, but me nah go stray. The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials, but Jah love stay. With chancellor I make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give with joy. The system try to break we, but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fi ploy. Zion roots, The night can't last, the sun have to shine. Jah whisper, your time for climb. The wicked a scheme, but them can't rewind. Truth a the light, the spirit divine. Me trod through fire, me trod through storm. Them try to break me, but my spirit warm. Me hold Jah hand, me can't conform. Me chant them down, me break them norm. Them build them kingdom pan tricks and lies. Steal from the poor while the innocent cries. But judgment come, can't wear disguise. Jah watch them move, Jah see them eyes. Me step on the battlefield, sword in hand. Words are my weapon, me overstand. The weak shall rise, the strong shall stand. Jah are the ruler, can't change the plan. From Ethiopia to the western land, me see the prophecy take full command. The rivers run deep, the mountains grand. Jah truth a flow like grains of sand. Them try to silence the voice of we, but reggae play like waves pan sea. The righteous chant, the captives free. Jah Kingdom rise eternally. Jah Kingdom rise, Babylon fall. The trumpet sound, me hear the call. The warriors strong, we stand up tall. No more chains, no more wall. Jah Kingdom come, we sing and praise. Light shine bright through the darkest days. The fire blaze, the righteous stay. Babylon done, them can't delay. Me see them shake when the truth reveal. Them try to hide but the wounds can't heal. Them thief the land, them sign the deal. But nature rise, the air it appeal. Me chant him loud, me chant it clear. The revolution, it start right here. The trumpets blow, the judgment near. Jah children rise, can't show no fear. Me hold the banner, me lift it high. Selassie I rule from the golden sky. The wicked bow, can't justify. Them can't stop the warriors cry. The storm can't last, the rain soon done. The people rise, the victory won. The chains them break, the wicked run.
the righteous sing. Jah Kingdom come, so me tell the youth, hold on strong. The road get rough, but the journey long. The struggle real, the fight prolong, but righteousness always belong. My call for justice, my call for peace, no more violence.
Ay, ay, ay. Kingston, now me pocket. Them build a wall high, steel and stone, but me know them foundation overblown. Them say stay in line, obey the call, but every empire one day fall. Me walk through the system maze, but me eye sharp, me soul blaze. Them hide truth behind disguise, but Jah light shine, expose the lies. Can't lock up what born fi roam. Me spirit deeper than them throne. Me chant for justice, me chant for peace, until Babylon grip release. Them think power lasts forever, but roots stronger than them lever. Every time them wall get tall, me know Jah bring the mighty fall. Iron wall, you can't stand long. Jah hammer beat, me sing the song. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, we move quick. Iron wall soon tumble down. Jah wear forever crown. Them build high but Jah stand higher. Babylon burning righteous fire. Me see the chains, me see the fear, but me not let that control me here. Me say freedom, me say light. Me not bow down in a the fight. From the street to mountain peak, truth rise up when we speak. Them try silence, them try crush, but Jah fire nah ever hush. Them flood the ear with toxic sound, but reggae keep the people bound. Every rhythm, every bass, a bullet in the wicked face. Iron wall look strong today, but crumble soon. Me hear Jah say, trust in roots, trust in plan. Freedom live in every man. Iron wall, you can't stand long. Jah hammer beat, me sing the song. Babylon crumble brick by brick. We rise up strong, we move quick. Iron wall soon tumble down. Jah wear forever crown. Them build high but Jah stand higher. Babylon burning righteous fire. Generations rise, generations know. Truth deeper than what them show. We not take no plastic dream. We live for love, we live for redeem. Me say step by step, we march along. The battle fierce, but we heart strong. Babylon tremble when we unite. Truth and love are the purest fight. So when you see that iron wall, know for sure it can't stall. Jah beat steady, roots grow tall. Babylon, soon you fall.